So hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Ajibin Patel, the General Manager of ECEL. On behalf of Vivek College of Commerce, ECEL welcomes you on today's event. So as students know what is ECEL, so ECEL is about how it. Today will give you a short description about what is ECEL and how it functions. So our respected principal Dr. Vijeta Shetty, our chief coordinator Miss Anupama Bali, and our two faculty coordinator Anuja Narvankar and Lubina Gonzalez. Welcome you all. So it's a moment of great privilege and honor to extend a hearty welcome and on this memorable event. As we all know, ECEL is an organization dedicated at promoting the spirit of young entrepreneurs among the students throughout India. Our honorable principal's aim is to foster the spirit of entrepreneurship in our esteemed Institute of Vivek College of Commerce and beyond. Now I would like Professor Lubina Gonzalez to please take over. Over to you, Lubina ma'am.
Thank you, Maijabin. Good afternoon, students. Myself, Lubina Gonsalves, Assistant Professor in BMS Department, would like to welcome you all on behalf of ECEL. ECEL is a committee which has reached to a different level today. Our students are competing with IIT and IIM students. ECEL provides a platform to develop entrepreneurship skill within students and also helps to develop confidence among them to face the corporate world. ECEL is a great platform for a great start for your career. So I would like Mehrjabeen to please share ECEL slides. Mehrjabeen. Okay, so student, as I have told you that ECEL gives you a platform to develop your skills of your entrepreneur skills and also helps you to face the corporate world. Okay, so what is ECEL? Let us see what is ECEL. ECEL is basically a body of students. Okay, this is not, we as a mentor will be there with you all, but it is you as a students, you all will be coming together and doing this committee, taking this committee ahead. So the students will be working in this cell and we'll be the mentor of yours. Okay, so our vision and mission of ECEL is create, motivate and mentor. So we create your leadership leaders. We motivate you all to come up with an entrepreneurship ideas and we help you all to start up your own business. Here I am very happy to tell you all that one of our ECEL member, he came up with this candle idea and he has started his small business today and it is running very nicely. Vivek College is proud of that. The next slide, please, Majabeen. Okay, so the events. We as a ECEL, we were inaugurated in 2018-19. We started with our ECEL. In 1920 and in that year, we had conducted our orientation program also. We had conducted a passport mela also, which was done very successfully. Next slide, please. In the year 1920, I'm happy to announce this and I'm happy to tell that we had attended Illumination Flagship Program in IIM Mumbai for 2 days and our students got an opportunity to participate in that. It's a very honorable flagship program which is conducted and normally everybody doesn't get an opportunity to be part of that, and we were blessed and our students' hard work was blessed and they got an opportunity to be the part of this program. In 1920, again our student got an opportunity to participate in NSE to compete with 400 college in IIT Powai. Here I am proud to say that we were at the 13th position in this year. See, out of 400 topmost college, our college ranked the 13th on the 13th position. It is so proud moment for the college which we got in that year. We also conducted PAN card drive, which was done very nicely and it was a success. In 2020-21, as you all know that COVID had hit and we all had to go for an online sessions and online classes and online lectures and all. Mehjabin, please move to the next slide. In 2021, we went online. So we also conducted various online events. Online events were conducted related to career, related to entrepreneurships and all. So students, this was some of the events you can see on the, you can see in the PPTs also, you can see the workshops which were conducted in 1920, seminars which were conducted. We did a movie screening also. Then the next slide. The flagship program which I said is the E-Summit. It is called as a E-Summit. Then in 2021, we did so many things. We, as I said, that we had conducted career-related webinars. Then we conducted entrepreneurship webinars. Then we had conducted quiz competitions and all. These were some of the events which were conducted under ECEL. It's not, ECEL is not about I, myself, doing the development, but it is we all together coming and doing our development. Students, think on this and get ready to face the challenges and the hardship in life with the help of ECEL. I promise you students, if you are part of ECEL, you will really enjoy the journey with us for next 3 years or next 2 years. Whoever, like FYs are there, they will be there with us for next 3 years. If SYs are there, they will be there with us for next 2 years. But yes, the journey with ECEL will be very memorable in your heart, in your mind, and it will be a 360-degree change which will take place in you. Okay, the next slide, Mehjabin. So as I've said, next slide. We have collaborated with IIT Bombay, as you can see, with Delhi University also, Delhi College also. Next slide. This is our core committee. Now I would like to call upon Danny, the mentor of this committee. She will take over with the next session. Over to you, Danny.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everybody, once again. My name is Danya Keshwani. I am currently the mentor for the committee for 2021 and 2022. This is my third consecutive year being a part of ECEL. And so before I say anything else, I like to give you just a short glimpse of what my duties as a mentor look like. It may seem as a mentor that I am someone really huge, nothing. I'm just a part of this college as well, this prestigious institution. I am in my MCOM. I did my bachelor's last year in accounting and finance. And as a mentor, my main duty this year specifically has been to make sure that the committee that works on the ground level, that is our whole committee together, we always say we are not I, as ma'am correctly said, to make sure that the planning is working well. I guide in and I pitch in wherever I can. I am most probably the fallback or the B plan in case things go wrong. But apart from that, I also make sure I'm mostly a supervisor for a factory, as you must think. And I like to honestly tell something, as since you can see I'm probably the senior most member right now currently, because I am the oldest one also of the core committee. But one thing that ECEL has given me, and my first reason of joining ECEL in the year 2019 was I joined ECEL because I come from a business family basically. I have people in my family who run business, but I don't like running the family business. I wanted my own business. I wanted to see how well I could run my business. So ECEL was a formal organization an organization closest to running a business. And let me tell you, the best experience I gained in ESL was in the year 2019-20 when we went to the finals for IIT Bombay. And as man mentioned, Illuminate was a flagship program. For that specific flagship program, we required sponsors because the seats itself for the program were so high. And I thought that, chalo, abhi, we'll go for sponsors. So maybe ma'am will go. Maybe we'll have to just, listen to ma'am negotiate. We will not learn how to do it. But honestly, I would say it has been the best and the realest experience of my life, that how people will react to you if you go and ask them for sponsorships, or how people will react to you if you pitch your idea. Because ma'am had given us clear instructions. She literally said, Daniel, we are doing it, you are handling it, your call, your decision, your strategy. And that has been the best and the single most important lesson or the important experience that ESL has given me personally. And that was the best experience I gained in ESL. And I can confidently say that my goal of learning to manage people under me has reached very well. I have managed more than 60 people last year in online sessions. These all core committee members were under me, and I'm very glad to be a part of this team and very proud to be a part of this team. And now I would like our esteemed General Manager, Mejbin Patel, to please continue. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Daniel, for this wonderful thing. So now I would start by, so hello everyone, once again, a very good afternoon to all of you all. And I am Mejbin Patel, the General Manager of ESL, as I have told in the welcome. So I will start by explaining by my duty. So my duty is to lead and guide the team throughout the events and challenges. Then I need to plan and coordinate the overall working of the ESL and delegate the work among the members and report report them and get the approvals whenever required from the faculty in charges. So this all duty. I'm still in a learning mode of ESL. So I would like to highlight what I learned in the past year of ESL. When I joined ESL, I chose communication department, and as I was very weak in communication, so I learned to communicate with people. I gained confidence. I started opening up. I started interacting. I learned how to work in a team. I learned to conduct events. I learned many other things. Like you, first thing, the important thing for me was gaining confidence. I was not that kind of a person who used to speak in front of people. I was like very shy, just sit in the class, just listen what the teacher says, that's it. ESL gave me that confidence to speak in front of everyone. And I think our mentor, she's so sweet, Daniel, she was always there to support us. And not just Daniel, it was our faculty coordinator Anuja ma'am, and Lubina ma'am is also supporting us. So it was very nice to work in such an organization where you get the respect, where you get the support, where you learn something. So it was very great working in ESL. So, and I request, please don't remove anybody in this meeting. So it's not good. We are in an official organization, an official meeting. So please don't do that. It's very hurting. So, and I would request Sabha to please take over.
Thank you, Majri. Good afternoon, our ESL faculty in charge, Professor Anuja Narvankar and Professor Lubina Gonzalez. And good afternoon to my committees and all the next ESL members. Firstly, I want to thank each and everyone for attending the freshman orientation and showing your interest towards ESL. I myself, Ms. Sabha Miman from TY BAF. I'm the new Assistant General Manager of Entrepreneurship Cell, that is ESL. I would like to shortlist my duties in ESL as AGM. My responsibilities are to supervise the daily operations. I have to coordinate among the mentor, GM, general manager, head of departments, and faculty, delegating all the daily tasks, addressing any issues, and schedule and coordinate meetings, etc. I would also like to give a short glimpse of my experience. Like after joining ESL, I became an extrovert person. My weakness converted into strength. I got to know how an event or webinars are organized and what are the works each team member have to perform. I learned that teamwork, networking, communication, and confidence is very important in any organization. Last but not the least, I want to thank Anuja ma'am, Lubina ma'am, and our mentor Daniel Peshwani for always guiding, supporting, and showing your faith in me and giving a huge respect to me. Thank you so much. And also, thank you for giving a platform to express, learn, and develop myself. And yes, ESL is nothing without you three. And I'm proud of myself to be a part of ESET. And I want you all to bring out your hidden talent and improve your skills. So, guys, ESEL is that platform which will surely help you. Thank you. Now, I would request all the HODs to please introduce yourself one by one. So, Head of IT Department, Adarsh Mahato, please take over. Thank you.
Thank you, Sabha. Hello everyone, myself Adarsh Math, the head of IT department, and my assistant is Anshika Dubey. In ESL, our responsibility is to manage and handle the social media of ESL, and we have to schedule the post activity. And the main work for the IT department is to make the posters and the videos for the event. Thank you, and I would request to Kritika to continue further. Kritika, over to you.
Thank you, Adarsh. Myself, Prithipa Rajendran, HOD of Promotion Department, and my assistant HOD of Promotion Department, Nupur More. As you all come to know what is ESET, now I'm going to give you a small introduction about promotion. One of the department in our ESET is promotion. Promotion means one thing comes in your mind is advertisement, right? Our department used to inform and target the audience and increase awareness and create interest and publicity. Our work used to share posters and registration form in each and every respective class and ensure to reach as many students as we can. The further I'm going to hand over to Vivek, the head of marketing. Thank you.
I'm Vivek Vasant, head of marketing department, and the assistant head of marketing department is Jennifer Durai. The responsibility or role of marketing department is devising the marketing strategies, or we can say that we plan various advertising and marketing strategies. Marketing also refers to the process of an organization undertakes to engage its target audience, build strong relationships to create value in return. Plus, marketing is a concept compared to market. I had a wonderful experience in ESL and plus learned various skills related to entrepreneurship. Now I would request Sunil to take over.
Thank you, Vivek. Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Sunil Khanna and I'm the head of communication department. And I would like to introduce to the assistant head of communication department, Sarah Kriyaden. I would like to give you a glimpse about our duty. So our duty is to get the arrangement done for the registration, invite the speaker and guests, uh, responding to emails, messages, etc. And also negotiating and communicating with sponsor, guests, etc. Now, I would like to tell you about what I learned from ESL. Joining ESL was something that I wanted. Uh, Joining ESL was something that I needed. Because of ESL, I learned many things and gained confidence as well. And yes, by joining communication department, I started communicating with speaker, guests, and many people, so that eventually improve my communication skill as well. So I would like to thank you everyone. And now my friend always will continue. Over to you, Ovesh.
Good afternoon. My name is Uttam Kandu, assistant of the event department, and my colleague is Ovesh Badra, head of the department, head of the event department. Our department basically work for to communicate the speaker and bring and do the event successfully very well. And thank you.
Thank you, Uttam. Hello, everyone. Myself, Shriya Kirtikar from SYBMS, HOD of Operation Department, and I would like to introduce my assistant HOD, Sushila Pandey. Now, I will explain you the work of the Operation Department. Our work is to chalking out new ideas for the event and to prepare agenda for the events. Our basically main work is on the event day that to ensure everything is going on properly or not. And now I will share my experience with ESEL. ESEL helped me to start my own business. I tell you how. It taught me how to market, set up the business, how to communicate, and many more things. And because of ESL, I have started my own business. Thank you. And now I will next like to hand over to Satish Kumar, HOD of Administration.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Satish Kumar from the Head of Administrative Department of ESL. I would like to give a short information of my duty. Please to keep the records, all the bills, etc. Maintain the attendance and maintain the records. I would like to highlight what I learned from ESL. The best thing that I learned from ESL is teamwork. I request Ravina to please take over.
Thank you, Satish. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ravina Jain, student in SY BCom, the head of finance department. Basically, when we hear about the finance, the very first thing that comes in our mind is financial activities or money. So basically, the activities of the finance department are somewhat the same, like maintaining the sheets, reporting to AGM, and preparing budgets for workshop and many more. The most important thing that I learned from ESL was time management and speaking up. So I would like you to all take active participation in the events and programs and support us so that we can all grow together. Thank you. Now I would like Majibin to please take over.
So thank you so much, Ravina. So this was all about what is ESL, how it functions and everything. So I would like to say that today after the session ends, there will be a interview session for you all. The slots will be provided to you. The interview will be taken only when you fill the feedback form. As per that, we'll take the interview. The slots will be provided to you. The interview will be taken first of the self-financing, then of the BCom students. It will be taken maybe from 5:30. Slots will be given to you as soon as possible. Then the feedback form, I would request Sabha to please paste the feedback form in the chat box, please.
Students, if you have any questions to be asked, please ask. Get your doubts cleared off over here only. Here all the departmental HODs are present. So if you have any doubts, get cleared before attending the interview. And let me tell you all one thing. Yes, sorry, Danny. Let me tell you all one thing that.
Anybody who has any doubts, anything, you can ask us anything. It's not necessary only for the interview. If you have any doubts regarding ESL in general or any curiosity you have, you can ask us. Please raise your hand so we can actually, in orderly fashion, and we make sure we don't miss you out, we can answer your question.
So the link is pasted in the chat box. You can fill the feedback form, and I would request Sarah to please take over and say what.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Sarah Criado, the assistant head of the communications department. You all have to fill the form right now, and if you all have any queries or questions related to the feedback form, my head Sunil and my number are available on the form. And if you all want to give the interview today, you all have to fill the form, because only then we'll be able to take your interview. If you all have any questions, please put them in the chat box. I don't
Sarah,
see any questions. Yeah. Okay.
Since people are not taking any questions, Sarah, you can go ahead with the program.
Yeah,
okay,
Dhruv Pujari has a question. Dhruv Pujari has a question. How many members are there in each department?
Every department has, it's like every department need a different number of members. So it depends on which department you're going to and how much work is there.
Exactly. And I would also like one thing to that question is that even though you may be working for a department, because we always say we as an organization are very integrated. So most of the time the work is divided a lot, and it's not necessary that you may be a part of one department and you are sticking to it. So you will have to pitch in whenever possible, and you switch roles sometimes also. So that gives you a diversity that you are not stick to one stagnant department. You get exposure to all other duties as well.
Any other questions?
You can also raise your hands and we can like unmute, or you can unmute and ask also.
Yes, if you don't want to write it down, you can ask like this. I want to know more about IT department. There is a question. So IT department, you all can do it.
IT head, can you please unmute and answer the question?
Yeah.
डिपार्टमेंट में क्या करना होगा कि पोस्टर्स जैसे कि अभी इवेंट हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे तो उसके लिए हम लोग को पोस्टर्स बनाने पड़ते हैं, वीडियो एडिट करना पड़ता है, वही सब.
Okay, there
Sunil,
is
can you
one more
please answer the
question.
communication department question?
Yeah, sure. So our work is to communicate with the speakers, and we have to get the arrangement done for the registration, and yeah, we have to we also have to create an invitation so that we can send it to the speakers and yes.
Finance department, you all have a question, please answer it.
Can you please repeat the question?
Check it in the chat box, Ravina.
There is a question. I have selected administration committee. I want to join operation management. How can I change now?
You can tell us about it during the interview.
Can I say,
If
ma'am?
you're
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically when you hear about finance, it's like managing all the financial activities. If we get a sponsor, if we get money, so we have to arrange it, we have to make the budgets, and we have to let our ma'am and AGMs and GM know what we are doing, and we have to report them.
Okay.
I would also like to add something to it. So basically, apart from all the duties that your heads are mentioning, the major duty that all the departments do in general is helping in planning and coordinating. So that is one of the major duties. So the first duty as a ECEL member overall is to help in the planning of various events, and that includes right from beginning as to okay, we want to decide first we decide whether we do the event, and then after that it goes on right into the tiniest detail, like today that who will be managing, like we for you guys it's like okay जो भी सवाल आप लोग पूछ रहे हैं उसका जवाब आपको मिल रहा है, you're getting answers prompt, but the planning behind is that you don't know. So that is where like everything is divided, and like you are getting answers. So we have people specifically who are checking the chat. We have people specifically who are checking the attendance. We have specifically people who are handling the technical problems. So that is how it is. Satish, you can answer the admin question now.
There is a question. Which duties are in administration department?
Yes, ma'am. I think Satish may be having a mic issue or something.
Yeah, so on his behalf, nobody else can talk on the administration department.
I guess I'll speak, I suppose.
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, since I have so much experience. Basically, the admin duties include like as you can sort of make out from the word itself, administration. It mostly includes that. Firstly, all the data, like you will be filling the form, you have filled a registration form, there are other forms, or there are other duties and formalities that are to be done. Example, we have our own files, we have our own reports that we give to our teachers, and then that goes to principal ma'am. So admin is responsible for all of these things, that making sure there are no spelling errors, that would be one thing. Reporting, maintaining the minutes of the meeting, जो जैसे आज ही attendances हुए तो record of attendances and other things. So everything that is related to reporting and maintaining of records is the duty of administration, but it is true that administration helps in other departments as well. Finance was already covered, I think, Rohit.
Daniel, can you just give a brief description, how will be the interviews conducted, on what criterias, and how will be the selection done? Because if there are 50 to 56 students applying for the interview, then we have some criteria, right? Selection criteria. Please explain them the selection criteria.
Okay. Firstly, you did not worry that we will not ask you कि session में क्या बोला था या something like that. No. And firstly, please understand that we are also students itself. We are a part of this organization as students only. Okay. Um, okay, I'll answer the two questions together, Rashmita and Rohit. Just let me finish. Thank you for the questions once again. The basically, see, we are conducting the interview because sometimes what happens is that supposedly, for example, I'll give you a story here itself. We had people who had applied for a different department, like they had applied for promotion, an example, but we understood that they are much better in marketing because they have a nick for it. And the thing is, आपको शायद लगता नहीं है कि आप उस चीज में confident हो. So your interview's basic crux will be upon how you present yourself and how you express yourself. No doubt you will be wanting to go to a department which is true, but maybe sometimes happens you think that no, I can't do it. Example, we had a lot of people telling us no, we are shy, we won't be able to do marketing or we won't be able to do communication. For example, Sunil himself, the first time I met Sunil, he has a very good mind, he's very creative, he can communicate very well, you know, messages, be it forms or anything, but he seemed a little underconfident, and this was during the finals of NEC. So Sunil came in and he gave a good pitch about the product. So we told him, we gave him tips and he understood, and then he decided, no, I will join communication. He was initially in coordination and then he moved to the communication department. Right now, we don't have a coordination department due to some reasons, but that is a thing. And interviews are not, see, we don't have a hard and fast rule ke nahi, itna hi, like we want this people, we want this people. No. We will be selecting you on basis of how comfortable you yourself are. See, ESL as an organization, if you're joining the committee, does not mean you join it for the namesake. You will be having duties and responsibilities that you will need to be fulfilled. And to answer the question that Rashmita asked, no, you don't need to be there physically because everything is online. But yes, there are sometimes we are required to be in college for official purposes. Like example, sometimes when principal ma'am calls us for meetings, or sometimes Lubina ma'am or Anuja ma'am call us for some meeting or some work. Example, the file records we need to get it signed, or we need to submit it to college department. So that is the time where we go to college. But if college starts offline, then it will be really fun for you guys because you will actually enjoy and you will feel like what it is like to be in event. अगर आपके कोई दोस्त होंगे जो event management करते होंगे, so the stories they tell you is what you will experience in real life. But the only difference is these events are more on a sophisticated and formal level. You meet people who are like, you know, founders of startups. You meet people who are like, you know, who are professors, who are qualified IIMs. And once again, I'll tell you, your interview is solely going to be based on how you yourself, you know, present yourself, basically. There is no hard and fast rule, and like we previously said, it totally depends on how the HOD feel. Our ESL structure is very fluid. There is no hard and fast rule कि हर department में 5 या 6 assistants ही चाहिए. No, it is totally up to the discretion of the HOD. If the HOD feels like no, these people are the best people I want and they will be the very best for my fit, they will select you. And please don't get disheartened that if you don't get selected, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We have solutions for that also. You can always work as a volunteer. You need not be in a specific department or something like that. And honestly, we appreciate people who want to work. We don't just deselect you because there's like some problem or anything. No, no, no. You can always work. And yes, please do fill the form because that is how you will be able to, you know, manage, and you will be able to tell us which department or how and which way you want to you wish to continue. And we know that okay, you know, you want to be a part of ESL, and we will ourselves reach out to you in case you are unable to reach out to us. And Rashmita, it's okay, you don't need to be physically present. There are many students also, like most of the half of our team was not physically present in Mumbai. You're not the only one. So everything is online for now. And if there is any issue, we can always have a video conference, nothing big. If you have any more questions, then please let us know, or otherwise I would like Sarah to please go on with the vote of thanks.
Here I would like to add, see students, we are also starting with our incubation center, which is like it will be very helpful for you for starting up. If you have any ideas to start up your own business and all, So this incubation center will always help you with your ideas and all. They will give you a guidance and all. So we are going to start up that also. So there also will be requiring students for the help and all. We'll be also calling entrepreneurs. Our passed out students, we are going to enroll them in this incubation center as they have started their own businesses. They will be sharing their ideas, their journey of entrepreneur, and they will also be your guide if you have your dreams. So through this incubation center and through eCell, you can get your dreams come true. That is one thing I can promise you students today. eCell and Vivek College will definitely help you in your career growth.
Yes, ma'am. And I would like to add to the point of incubation center that if you are thinking that you have a business, and usually young entrepreneurs have problem of financing as well. So because of this incubation center and the process, we will also be able to provide you with the seed capital that you need and the connections that you would need about starting your own business and how you can approach investors as well. So we are in the process of that because we have reached that level right now. Thank you. Uzma, I think wanted to know about operations department. So we'll take this last question. Event department, I'm so sorry. Uzma, basically event department duties include that this event today itself. So basically it was totally the distribution of event department as to who is going to handle what, the agenda and as to when the event will start, when the feedback form will be distributed, who is going to speak the welcome, ma'am's PPT, and some tips or some other requirements that the ma'am wants, which is usually the speaker in this case scenario. And like Alia was having problem earlier that someone was pranking her and everything. So that was also the duty of event department to make sure there is no mischief. So everything related to event, top to bottom, is the duty of event department along with operations, but they co-share the duties. That is all. And if we don't have any more questions, Sarah, you can please take over. And ma'am, with your permission, we would like to go ahead with the vote of thanks and towards the closure of the event. Thank you.
Yes, surely.
Okay.
So
now as
can
the session comes to an end, yes ma'am. Yeah. So now as the session comes to an end, I would like to thank all the participants for joining us today. I would take this opportunity to thank our principal, Dr. Vijeta Shetty, for supporting us. And I would also like to thank Professor Anupama and Professor Anuja for guiding us. A humble thanks to our speaker, Professor Lubina Gonsalves, for guiding the students throughout the session and sharing your knowledge. A thank you to all the eCell members who have put their own efforts and time to make this event a success. A most hearty thanks to the students attending the session. We hope to see you soon as a part of the eCell. Now I would like to request Mayor Jabin to please take over.
Thank you, Sarah. So firstly, I would say the students who have joined here. So a short problem is there. The link which I have sent you right now, please do fill. This is the feedback form, not the one which I sent before. So the link which I have sent now, please fill that form. And really, I would say thank you so much for attending this webinar. You'll surely, if you join eCell, I'm sure you'll surely learn something or the other. If you join eCell, you will learn things. You will you will gain connections and whatnot. I think it was very excited for me throughout the journey. I was in eCell. I learned many things and I got relationship. I'm so good with our professors, and our professors, they are just amazing. Trust me, they will support you at each and every moment. So that's what, and with the permission of our dignitaries, I would say we'll end the session now with the permission of Lubina ma'am.
Yes, okay, thank you, Maijabin.